guys, welcome back again to the channel. Today it is a beautiful day. We're having a nice weather. It's a perfect time to do something in the car, and I'm glad my parcel came. When I checked my tracking, it already arrived to the post office and I just pick it up. And today I'm going to replace my rear bumper reflector lights with this. It's a smoke sequential lights. I bought it on eBay. I will leave the link at the description box down below if you are interested where I bought it. There are two reasons why I'm changing my rear bumper reflector lights. First reason, it adds on safety features of the car, especially on foggy conditions, which makes it crucial for driving. And second reason is for aesthetics. It will improve its appearance because I'm running smoke side markers too, so they are uniform. And about the quality of this reflector lights, it looks actually cheap, and obviously it's cheaply made. You can still see some glue stick, some strands. And what do you expect? It's from eBay. I actually tried to search in Amazon or other sites where I can buy something in a good quality, but can't find any. It's just eBay and Amazon. You don't have any other choices. Other than that, as long as it's going to work as intended, I'm okay with that. It'll be fine. And this reflector lights comes with 4 wires: yellow, green, red, and black. It's not really hard to figure out how this thing works. Okay, and I'm not gonna waste much of your time. Let's start to install this one. Tools needed for this installation are Phillips head screwdriver, wire stripper, double-sided tape, WD-40, pry tool, and microfiber cloth. First step is to remove the honeycomb bumper reflector, but before you do that, I strongly suggest to spray a WD-40 on the sides to soften all those accumulated dust. It will make it easier for you to remove it. Use the microfiber cloth when removing the honeycomb bumper to protect the paint. As you can see on this reflector light, you just need to press that one on top. Simple as that. I'm going to use a double-sided tape, and I'm gonna put it at the back of the sequential light just to make it sure that it will be staying in place. Install the smoke sequential light at the honeycomb bumper. Insert the wires at the hole of the bumper. Use the screw that came with the smoke sequential light and tighten it. Put the honeycomb bumper back. Later, there's a trick here on how to pull this one up. Next step, remove the screws of the tail light. Pull the tail light slowly. Once you hear it pops up, it's already loose. Before you hook up all the wires, clean the area first. I'm gonna use the wire of my tire inflator to pull up the wires of the tail light. We just have to tie a nut here. There you go, easy. Strip the main wire for like 5 inches. Strip all wires ½ inch from the tip. So this is the critical part, the wirings. The yellow wire goes to the turn signal lights. Once the wire is connected, put the lights back on, and do the same on the rest. The green wire goes to the reverse light. For the black wire, it's usually the ground, but we are gonna put it on the driving light. And the last wire is red for the brake lights. So here is how the wiring looks like. Okay, and green is for the reverse light. Yellow is for turn signal, red is for brake, and black wire is for running lights. Make sure to use a zip strap to tidy up all the wires. Put the screws back. Now we give it a test. And that is it for the rear bumper sequential lights installation. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention earlier that I also pick up this caliper covers here. This is gonna be my next installation, and that is all for today. Hopefully you like it, and if you think that this video helps, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Your support goes a long way. Thank you, and see you on our next video.